How to download Instagram Reels. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, you need to head over to your application Instagram. Make sure that you are using the updated version. Now log in into your specific account. Once logged in, you need to head over to your Reels option. Move into any of the Reels that you want to download. If you want to download this video, you need to click on the share icon right over here. At the bottom, you can see the option of download. Click on it. The video or the reel will start to download it on a device. Wait for a while for the downloading process to be completed. And there you go, the video has been downloaded. Now if you go back and head over to your gallery, you will see the video that has just been downloaded. There you go, this is the reel that you have just downloaded. But you should know that the watermark will not be removed. It will stay throughout the video. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.